Can't be as bad as it was a few weeks ago, right? I guess not that bad. Yeah, because I was going to sleep at 8 or something, so it's a little better than that. You have no bones in your neck. You think so? You mean I'm pretty flexible? When did I wake up today? My, you don't ask a lady as to just how much beauty sleep she got. Thank you very much. Oh my gosh. Wonder if I can crack my neck at this state. Oh, did you hear that? Neck crack in 3D. Wow, phenomenal. I did snap my neck and it felt good. Do you understand? It was good. Oh, actually, this is a new way to move. See? I can just like I can just like swing my camera back and forth. Woohoo!